everyone, lahat ng Pilipino, alam natin na ito yung pangarap natin. Magpatayo ng bahay ng sa atin mismo at kung ano yung kailangan natin. So, at Home Life, my team, lahat ng team po namin na nandito are doing our best to provide for that quality service that you deserve. And hopefully po, lahat po ng gagawin namin, ma-coordinate po namin sa inyo and we can collaborate in it to make this dream come true. And we are very grateful that we are welcome here and then you chose Home Life.
Sa lagi po nating sinasabi na where dreams come home, gusto namin ibigay ito kay Espousas Flores at sa family po niya. Ma'am, sir, thank you for putting your trust sa company. We pray to God na yun nga po na gabayan po lahat ng mga workers din natin.
Talagang overwhelmed ang nararamdaman ko ngayon.
Very thankful talaga ako sa accommodation and the patience ng Home Life. Maraming salamat sa bait ninyo sa amin, napaka-accommodating. And thank you for the opportunity that you will be working with us.